Hey Liam, what are you doing today?
I'm coding.
What are you coding?
I'm stealing Dad's code. I'm just getting better at prompts for this because I'm trying to fix it because it's saying some funny stuff like stew.
So what are you
stew.
what are you changing?
So I'm basically changing the prompt. This is for the DALL-E 2, the 32-bit and retro arcade game. Because
Alright, let's save it and run it and see what happens.
Right. We'll do Tentacle versus.
Have you already saved the new code?
Yeah.
Okay. Did you refresh the page?
Yeah.
Did you refresh the?
Yeah. Okay. Palpitoad, that's how you spell it right. Versus Tentacle. Let me just click battle, and the battle scene most times runs first. So yeah, sometimes it comes out a bit weird, but Stu was a budding chef in the Pokemon League. He dreamed of one day cooking for all the Pokemon. But first he had to watch the Pokemon battle. Today was a match between Palpitoad and Tentacool. Stu had heard of these two Pokemon and was excited to see who would win. The battle began with Palpitoad using a powerful water attack, followed by Tentacool's counter with a powerful supersonic attack. The battle was full of laughter as both Pokemon tried to outwit each other. Palpitoad used a combination of water and mud attacks, while Tentacool used its tentacles to grab into Palpitoad and keep it from escaping. Then, in a moment of sheer brilliance, Palpitoad used a powerful mud attack to blind Tentacool, allowing Palpitoad to make its escape. The crowd cheered as Palpitoad emerged victorious. Stu was so excited he ran up to the Pokemon and offered to make them a special stew with all their favorite ingredients. The new Pokemon happily accepted, and Stu quickly got to work. He chopped, stirred, and cooked delicious stew for the two Pokemon. When it was finished, the two Pokemon enjoyed it so much they declared Stu the official chef of the Pokemon League. With a big smile on his face, Stu accepted the honor and vowed to keep cooking delicious meals for Pokemon.
Great job. Thanks, ChatGPT.